In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable OneDrive on your Windows 10. Stop syncing a folder in OneDrive, 5 minutes. If you're looking to stop certain folders from syncing to your PC without deleting anything from the cloud, this walkthrough is for you. We'll use OneDrive's built-in folder selection so your files remain safely stored online while disappearing from your local OneDrive folder on this device. Start at the bottom right corner of your screen on the taskbar. Look for the OneDrive cloud icon. It may be white or blue. If you don't see it right away, click the small up arrow to reveal hidden icons and then choose the cloud. Clicking the OneDrive icon opens a small panel with status information and quick actions. In that panel, click the gear icon to open the menu, then select Settings. This takes you to the main OneDrive settings window where you can control sync behavior, storage, and more. Once the settings window is open, go to the Account tab. This tab manages what's linked to your device and which folders are syncing. Here, click the button labeled Choose Folders. A new dialog will appear listing all the folders currently set to sync from OneDrive to your PC. You'll see checkboxes next to each folder. Checked means the folder syncs and appears locally in File Explorer under OneDrive. Unchecked means the folder exists in OneDrive online but won't download or show on this device. Uncheck the boxes next to any folders you don't want to sync. If you uncheck a top-level folder, all of its subfolders will stop syncing as well. If you only need to exclude a subfolder, leave the main folder checked and expand it to uncheck just the parts you don't need. A quick note for clarity: unchecking does not delete your files. They remain in your OneDrive cloud storage and can be accessed anytime at onedrive.com or from another device that still syncs them. On this PC, the folders and files you uncheck will be removed from the local OneDrive folder to free up space and reduce background syncing. When you're satisfied with your selections, click OK to save the changes. OneDrive will apply the updates, and you may see the sync status briefly update. The unchecked folders will disappear from File Explorer on this device shortly after, confirming they're no longer syncing. That's it. You've successfully stopped syncing specific folders with OneDrive on Windows 10 while keeping your files safe in the cloud. If you ever change your mind, return to the same Choose Folders window and recheck what you want to sync again.